This is round 3 of the fabric. I can tell it's round 3 because I look at the cables and they've come together and they look like they want to cross. This is where I'll work a cable cross. These 2 cables, there's a blue one and a gray one, and they need to cross. The blue one will cross over the gray one. I can tell that I want that to cross over because the last time this cable crossed, it crossed under a cable. This is called a C2B2. The B represents that I'm going to hold the cable needle to the back, and the C tells me that this is a cable crossing. So I'm going to slip 2 stitches to the cable needle and hold it in back. I'm going to bring my marl to the back, and I'm going to work these 2 stitches off of the left needle. They're in blue, so I'm going to knit through the back loop with only my blue yarn. And then I'll work the 2 stitches off of the cable needle. They're gray, so I'm going to knit them with the gray yarn. And you can see that the cables have crossed. And I'll continue to do that. I'm purling the background stitches. So you purl 2, and then I'll come to another cable crossing. Another way to work this is without a cable needle, and I'll show you how I do that. I bring my marl to the back. I take my right needle and I insert it through the 3rd and 4th stitches in the front. I pinch my work and I pull my left needle out. And those 2 loose stitches are in the back, and I catch them with my left needle. I move 2 stitches from my right needle back to my left needle, and I'm going to work all 4 stitches one at a time. And because all of them are in blue, I'm going to work them all in blue. And I'm just going to continue working on this round, and it's going to always be 2 background stitches followed by a C2B2. You can see that sometimes the C2B2 will involve cables of 2 different colors. It might involve cables all in the contrast color or all in the main color. You work them all the same way.